People think AI will destroy jobs, but the truth is even more interesting. AI is also creating entirely new careers that never existed before. Welcome to the Tech Show. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more powerful AI tools and futuristic tech content. By 2030, one of the biggest jobs could be AI content creation. People will use AI tools to create videos, advertisements, and digital businesses faster than ever before. Another future job is AI prompt engineering. Companies are already paying people to communicate effectively with AI systems and generate better results. AI video editing specialists will also become highly valuable. Creators and brands will need people who know how to combine AI tools with creative editing. Virtual AI assistants and AI automation managers could become normal jobs in the future. Businesses will need experts who can automate tasks using AI systems. AI cybersecurity experts will also be in massive demand. As AI becomes more powerful, protecting data and systems will become even more important. And finally, AI educators and trainers may become one of the most important careers of the future. People will need guidance to understand and use AI properly. The future is changing faster than most people realize. The people who learn AI today may have the biggest advantage tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos on AI, future technology, and online income ideas.
As the floors can take no more, stuck in this groove, I'm feeling bored.